dorbar Sngi Lumshken East Gentle District, menda kasi ka badai kasi pene mariang ni ka World Environment Day, kala pelong ka program bekerpang hajan ka jaka badan ka kshat tang nup namar ka jing temu ka long ruban kyntiew ka kam jngohkai perthai da ka bapen banapat ba ki artali ki kshat ki ba itenat bha ka kshat tang nup pat ka kshat rang tap ki badan ha ka Sngi Lumshken East Gentle District. Usab Divisional Officer East Gentle District, Manish Kumar, IS ulalong kongsan bat u MDC jong ka bataw la kadong u Dr. Sngi Shangpung kum usumbut kongsan. Manish Kumar, IAS ula kentu ki pat pa bagi day ban shimi kani kasi ka pakerpang namar kamariang ka day ka jingkerman yang ibaro ula ongru kumbang itip baka jalan Meghalaya ka dan kamariang ba itenat bat ki jaka ki ba itenat bha na ka jingdon ki lom ki wa ki kshat bat kamariang ba itenat bat ka pau bha ha ka kam jngohkai perthai bat ka longru ka badan kam ban le e banya dai ka mariang ka ni ka di kapor ka badan kam bha ban wan rai ka jingkala ha ka mariang saudong namar ka phalang sha ka kamai ka ji ka yo ka kot ka khia usong knor badeiru usketri Sngi Lumshken uba yobas khai ha ka jingkran mat phang uloong ba kani ka jingrakhi kani ka singi pene mariang ka long ban penslur bat ai men siem ki nong shong shnong ba kinchim khia ban sumar ka mariang bat ka deiru shibenta ban pen bana pat ba ya ka jingdon ki kshat ba itenat ha Sngi Lumshken ka kshat tang no bat ka kshat rangtam ha ka ba na kalyang ka Snong kala pentre ki surok yat ki jan man poish kani ka kshat bat la pentre lingba ki scheme MGREGS bat hadu 90% la pendap ya ka jing pentre ya ki lenti yat ki jat bat ki jaka ban yeng pet kai no lor lum ha ka jogo por uloong ba ka Snong ka priang subhai baro ki bawan shapo Snong ki bawan ban pet kai ya ki te ki kshat bat ka Snong kada angnut ru ban kyntiew ka kam jngohkai perthai bat halor kani uba yobas khai ukurpat yu kongsan bat ya u Dr. Sngi Shangpung bakin sobha ban wat kilat kilinti ban yaraplam ban kyntiew ya kini ki jaka jngohkai perthai ki badan hapo Snong
the chwawo poi che kabanta go kulam arngut gi hap e gijing mat phang ko wa malu mala haji to wagini ka program bat kamju ye gini ka scheme go wan rai che gini ge area ta khajak ya usarus ngau tho ta pun khle au kulam wa ken hindi wa ken english malu mala kar bi wala sir today we organize this program. Actually, we have to promote tourism. So we constructed from MG schemes over here. We got a small amount from the government. So we work hard as much as we can just to promote our place. And then, so by today, I request from our side through user as you see from over there to come here so much difficult regarding with road, so please note down in your mind regarding with this. I don't have so much what to explain. I think you already understand.
Jika jimut yang kena sini kawan tipi baka World Environment Day dia wa kini man kasni wa kepertai rowi arki penemburam ni kini sini bu tari kerpang eka nang tau penek pensia pusa dia kini memori yang jo i kawan ongo wesnong tu dengan kok kelam sebelum ten aji tok kena sini kawan satu langi batik langi bat ingu yo blai kendrat iu i kini ke memori yang tu isu ku tenan bat khamtam kini jela jong i jiwa kilom kideng jiwa kisurang man ko isuk untuk dekat dari besiuk i buat huruk yang kami kali ai you blai kerpang u i kami meriang jong i
DC sir, esteemed guest, member of the community and dear children with a smiling face, future of India. Good afternoon to every one of you. So on this auspicious occasion of World Environment Day, I stand before you today to mark this day with a commitment with all of us that this nature is the only home for all of us, and it is our shared responsibility and shared duty for all of us to protect it, conserve, assess, and evaluate the damages and things we have done in the past and how we can rectify it to correct it. So, as we all know, Meghalaya is blessed with a beautiful nature, a beautiful scenic view all around the Meghalaya. And Meghalaya economy also depends on the tourism, and mostly it is the viewpoint everywhere. Wherever you go, this is the viewpoint everywhere. And this is our responsibility to protect it and nurture it and promote it and convert this. So from today, it's our shared responsibility to do such small things